Local news for Wednesday the 3rd of July. Wairarapa Police are currently investigating a suspicious fire which occurred at the Highwayman Motel Masterton at around 10:15pm on Friday the 28th of June. Police would like to hear from anyone who was in the area of the vicinity of the Highwayman Motel around the time of the fire, who may have seen anyone suspicious or any suspicious vehicles. Wairarapa's rangatahi and tourism sector receiving a boost as the government announced yesterday more than $1 million of funding for two of its successful Provincial Growth Fund applications. The money has been awarded to the Dark Sky Society and the Ngā Pumanawa Tupuna for its program targeting at-use rangatahi and youth. South Wairarapa District Council will start a new round of community engagements with the Featherston Wastewater Treatment Plant upgrade proposal. Chief Executive Harry Wilson says we acknowledge that we did not engage with the Featherston community and mana whenua to the extent that we should have before submitting the proposal for recent resource consent. And in sport and local hockey, Red Star men have a 6-point lead, while in the women's grade at Dalefield Racing New Zealand lead by just 1 point over Red Star women. In the Senior Reserve Rugby competition, the top 4 have been found at Greytown, Tuharangi, Karatin and Puketoi.